Claim: did Emmanuel Macron really say that Iran war is basically the end of American century? Fact check.
The claim is going viral on social media.
Several social media users have claimed that French President Emmanuel Macron has commented on the Iran war being the end of the American century. Verified X user _infogram_ shared such a post with the caption, "Breaking, France just said that this war is basically the end of the American century." It includes a still image of French President Emmanuel Macron and a 52-second video featuring US President Donald Trump pointing. The post implies an official French statement signaling the decline of US global dominance amid the Iran war, gaining more than 4.5 million views. Other users have shared similar claims that can be seen here and here.
Fact check.
Truth: the claim is false. No credible evidence shows Emmanuel Macron stating that this war, the US-Iran war, marks the end of the American century. Though Macron has repeatedly criticized aspects of the US-led strikes, calling for diplomacy, he did not say such a statement. Fact check details. Digit-i India decided to investigate this claim and found it to be false. There is no credible evidence that Emmanuel Macron claimed the Iran conflict would mark the end of the American century. While Macron repeatedly criticized aspects of the US-led military approach and pushed for diplomacy over escalation, he never made such a statement. He appeared to target Donald Trump over Washington's mixed messaging on the Iran war, adding that this is not a show. View a section from the report here. We did not find any comments about the war being an end to the American century. View a section from the report here. He also described countries as victims of geopolitics and victims of this war but did not say anything about the war being an end to the American century. View a screenshot of this section here. Digit-i India did not find any comments, related statements or any media reports indicating that Emmanuel Macron said the war is basically the end of the American century. Thus, the claim is false. Claim: French President Emmanuel Macron said that the Iran war is basically the end of the American century. Conclusion: the claim is false. No credible evidence shows Emmanuel Macron stating that this war, the US-Iran war, marks the end of the American century. Though Macron has repeatedly criticized aspects of the US-led strikes, calling for diplomacy, he did not say such a statement. Rating: false. Thank you for visiting us. For more videos, subscribe to our channel, Digit-i India.